In this recording we're going to have a look at some of the extra features of Book Creator. So we'll go back to our book that we used in the last video and we're going to move forward with some of our pages and look at some of the extra tools. Going up to the plus button on the top right hand side, you can see we've got a pen tool, so we can now actually add in items that we want to draw or circle or highlight. We can change the colour up the top here, we can change the style of the pen, and there's also an eraser. Once we're happy with the item, we can click done. And just like all of our other pictures, it's resizable, rotatable, movable around the page, and then tap away to finish selecting it. So that's the pen tool. The other thing I want to show you is the ability to create hyperlinks, so you can take people outside the book to other spaces. You can create a hyperlink from a picture by selecting the picture and clicking on the I button up the top, and you'll see here we can actually paste in a hyperlink to wherever you want to take people. You can also make a hyperlink with text, but you need to go at it a slightly different way. You're going to select the text, double tap to open it up. I want you to select the word where you want the link to go, and this time you're going to choose link, and again paste in where you want people to go with the hyperlink. So that's hyperlinking. Also want to talk to you about ordering. We can actually decide the order of how the items sit on the page, what sits on top of one another. So I can select an item like this picture, choose for the information, and see down here for layout, I can choose to move it to the back or move it to the front. So let's move it to the back and now move it up, and you'll see it actually disappears behind. Or if I wanted it to be on top, I could go I again, move to the front, oops, other one, to the front. Now it's sitting on top again. One last thing I actually want to show you as well is how you can actually combine books. So let's say, for example, you're working with, there's a whole heap of kids and they're each creating their own pages. At some point you want to be able to put each child's pages into one book. So if we go back to the main My Books page and we hit on the plus button down the bottom here, you can see now there is a Combine Books option where I can choose a book. It has to be in the same format, either portrait, square or landscape. I can choose that book, and those pages will actually be added straight after the ones that are already in My Book, and you would go copy. Don't lose the other book, it just provides you with a way to put them all together.